the important point to emphasise at the moment is that there's been a tiny number of human cases. And as you say, what the news is that there are now some mammals that have been infected, which have eaten dead birds. But also importantly, in Spain, there's been an outbreak in a mink farm where the virus has spread and infected minks that have then passed it on to other minks. So that is transmission of the virus from mammals to mammals.
And how concerned should we be? Because obviously humans and mammals as well. Does the virus, you say that the actual strain hasn't changed, but does the virus mutate more, become more kind of transmissible once it's in mammals and therefore making us more vulnerable? I suppose we would just want to eliminate the fear factor if possible.
That's the worry we saw during the pandemic of COVID, how viruses change. So avian flu viruses do slowly change over time. And so far, there's not been a change which has made this a virus which passes easily between humans. But it has happened in the past that we think that's what happened to cause the 1918 flu pandemic. And although the risk to humans at the moment is very low, I think we've seen from the last couple of years that we can't ignore these threats, and we need to put a lot of effort into studying viruses like this, monitoring them, seeing what's happening with them, and indeed doing research so that we have the tools ready should such an emerging virus be a pandemic threat. And this is one of the focuses of the Pandemic Institute in Liverpool.